leads are also coming in from Hyderabad, where the Jubilee Hills bypoll is happening, and Congress is leading in the postal ballot, and after the first round also Congress is leading.
Congress will win
and leads are emerging.
Yes.
When will Rahul Gandhi emerge, Sanjay? Ata pata to bata dijiye.
Navika, let me tell you, I love the BJP's and particularly Poonawala's obsession with Rahul Gandhi, and that makes everyone understand the importance of Rahul Gandhi in Indian politics.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They have declared he's their star campaigner.
Yeah.
It's officially declared that whenever Rahul Gandhi campaigns, BJP wins.
Yeah, but then, I want to add, India has a bomb blast. Where is a gentleman disappeared to in, where is he gone? Bhutan, was it?
He came back.
I mean, come
But
on.
Navika,
I mean,
as far as Telangana
Mr.
is
Poonawala,
concerned,
you need to answer that
BJP
question.
is doing what Congress is doing nationally. BJP is doing that in Telangana. If they continue to do that, the 8 seats that they got in 2024 would become a dream in 2029. I'm saying it in the national chat.
Bad performance in Telangana for the BJP. Well, you need to wake up and smell the coffee.
In Bihar, we'll have a golden jubilee.
And
25 seats.
in Telangana,
Watch, let's watch.
25 seats out of 61, and he's very happy about that. Madhav, why are you smiling? Come on. Everybody needs their morning dose of smiles.
Well, absolutely. I mean, a lot of entertainment. But let me just take you through this statistic, which is also an interesting one. We all keep talking about how OAC has worked last election. This election, if the numbers currently are to be looked at, it has not worked as a factor, at least going by the fact that only 2 are for the NDA. 5 in this cluster are for the MGP, which means that in these seats where MIM is contesting, the voters perhaps have woken up to what has happened last time around, and they have not fallen for the same tricks, it appears. Again, these are early trends, not even an hour finished as far as counting is concerned, but going purely by the trends as we have in the other clusters, like for instance, we've gone through the Yadav cluster. Here as well, we've seen huge amount of numbers. Just look at the numbers here. NDA at 14, and you're looking at MGB at 19, which means that this is a clear breach. We've also spoken about the Muslim-dominant clusters. Here, the numbers appear to have also changed a bit, because here, the NDA at 13, RJD, MGB at about 17. So clearly, in these clusters, while NDA has done far better in the Muslim as well as the Yadav clusters, when it comes to OAC as a factor, at least on ground, the numbers are not adding up.
We wanted to come in, Tushar coming to you.
if since Shehzad mentioned it in that clip, I wondered why Tejasvi Yadav chose to define Asaduddin Owaisi as an extremist. He would get some feedback. Maybe he thought he's not such a threat to him, partly because the candidates who won last time were originally RJD people. And they went back. They went back. So possibly there must have been some calculation, because he said it twice.
So Sabha,
but the other, I want to talk about Yadav division.
No, before you go to the Yadav division,
Yeah.
I want to ask you, extremist labeling of Tejasvi of AIMIM, how do you look at that panning out with Congress party taking his support in Jubilee Hills? Tab extremist nahi hai.
I don't think you will.
Tab extremist nahi hai.
It's a very,
He's extremist in Bihar, but not in Telangana.
I'm not going to
but
answer that.
what is the explanation of the India Alliance on this one?
I don't think Tejasvi Yadav wanted somebody who claims the Muslim vote in. Now the real problem.
So call him extremist.
Yeah, he chose it. He tactically
take support in Telangana and then call him BJP.
That's Congress problem.
And Muslim means Congress.
Can I get to
Isn't that not the thing?
The division, what was troubling the RJD more, and there is a seat, I've been telling them they're misspelling the name, is the division of some Yadavs in many seats, because Yadavs as a community, they like to have relations with the government. They own some land, little bit. They are not the completely poor OBCs. So there was some split. It is not the Muslim split that was the worry, it was the Yadav split which is the worry.
And it is the Yadav split that is panning out also according to the clusters that Madhav showed, but leads at this point in time